good evening.
Good evening, sir.
And how do you feel tonight?
I'm good. Just a little bit nervous.
That's normal. I hope you feel better once you pick up your question. Okay. This is candidate number 6. Your question goes this way. First try. How can the Ifugao culture be preserved while promoting tourism in the region? Second try. How can the Ifugao culture be preserved while promoting tourism in the region? 30 seconds. I hope the ladies are still okay.
Where's economic
Beauty under pressure.
We suggest na for economic growth, we are very, yung man may very professional na atake.
Candidate number 6. You have 2 minutes to deliver your answer.
Thank you for the question. As a proud Ifugao youth raised in an environment where culture is deeply valued, I was taught how to appreciate the unique Ifugao culture. And I believe that for me to appreciate, I can contribute my skills, my talent, and my knowledge. And I believe that we, our Ifugaos, we can also contribute in the preservation in our culture, because I believe that this act of valuing our culture will preserve in our culture preservation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Please go back to your station as I call on candidate number 6.